Hello everyone. In last video we had discussed about what is multiple integral, where we discussed about single integral and what is double integral, what is triple integral clearly. So I hope everybody have known about what is double integral, because that is the topic that we are discussing today also. So now we are going to solve a problem by using double integral concept. Now I will read the problem first, then I will explain how to solve this problem. Double integral of x plus y into dy dx. Here we have two limits, so 0 to 2 and 0 to 1. First dy and dx. This is the order with respect to you are going to integrate. Okay. First we are going to integrate with respect to dy. Then that answer should be integrated with respect to dx. That is the concept. Okay. Now the limits here y is going the limit, first limit. This is going to the limit for y. Then the second limit is going to limit for x. We usually call it, this part is always going to inner integration and the another part is going to outer integration. First we will integrate the inner integration. That answer will be integrated with respect to outer integration. Let us solve this problem. First I am going to 0 to 1. Now first one thing that I want to tell you, however you are intelligent, okay, just go with step by step so that you cannot give any mistake. So I am going to multiply this integral and dy with these two, then I will get separate term, then I am going to integrate. First 0 to 2, then x into dy plus 0 to 2 y into dy. Now close the bracket into dx. Here you are integrating with respect to dy. When you are integrating with respect to y, you treat x as constant. Okay, clear? So here in first step we are having x. So constant, if we have any constant term, then you can keep this here. Okay. Now the simple formula that we are going to use, if you have any term integral dy, okay, you can cancel integral symbol and dy. Your answer is y. And one more simple formula that we are going to use, x power n into dx. This is the common formula, the very basic formula. We are going to use this formula for all the problems. Okay. So now this formula expansion is x power n plus 1 is divided by n plus 1 plus c. These two formula we are going to use for maximum number of problems. So please be strong on these two formulas. Okay. Now let us solve this problem. So it is 0 to 1. Now if you integrate dy, then what is your answer? X is constant. Now y, then 0 to 2, because integral and d will be cancelled, then you will get only y. Then if you apply limits, it is 2 to 0. Okay. Now plus, let us move to second step. The second step in the structure of this formula, here what is the power? It is 1. Okay. Now apply this formula, then you will get y power square is divided by 2. Now what is the limit? It is 0 to 2. Now give a common bracket and dx. Now let us apply first upper limit, then lower limit. So first 0 to 1, this is already term. Now x, first apply upper limit, what you will get? It is 2. When you apply lower limit, you have to put a minus, it is 0. Now close the bracket, plus symbol. Now first apply upper limit, it is 2 square. The answer is 4 by 2. Now minus, when you apply 0, it is 0. Now close the step. Now integrate. Let us move to another step. So now simplify it. So when you multiply x with 2, then you will get 2x. It is 0 plus when you cancel this, it is 2. So the answer is 2. Give a bracket into dx. What next? Again you are going to follow the same structure which you have followed here. What we have followed here, we just have multiply the integral symbol and dy with the bracket term. The same thing you are going to follow here also, so that you cannot give any mistake. To avoid mistake, we are following step by step. Okay. Now I am going to multiply. If I multiply, then I will get 0 to 1 times 2x into dx, then plus 0 to 1 2 into dx. Okay. Right. This is my next step. Now I am going to simplify it. Here which one is common? I mean 2 is common, so that can be taken outside. So I am going to take outside 2. So I am going to keep 2 here. Okay. Now simplify it. So 2 is common, keep outside. So if you simplify x into dx, which is in the form of this formula. So the answer, what is the power of x? It is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So x square is divided by 2 plus what is the limit value? It is 0 to 1. Let's move to second step. In second step, we have only integral symbol and dx. The first formula. Okay, d and integral symbol will be cancelled. Then finally we will get only x. Now apply the limits. Now apply the final limits. Okay, 2 is common. So give a common bracket. Now apply upper limit. Upper limit is 1. So 1 square is 1. So 1 by 2. Then lower limit is 0. Just 0. Plus upper limit is 1, lower limit is 0. Now simplify it. If you simplify it again, what you will get? It is 2 is common, keep outside. Then in bracket it is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Second step we have only plus 1. So just simplify it again. If you simplify it, then you will get take LCM. It is 2 plus 1, it is 3 by 2. What is the final answer? 2 will be cancelled. The remaining answer is 3. Okay, this is the way. Okay, students, one thing that you have to keep in your mind. Okay, if you are strong on integrating, you can give some step directly. But this is a way for that everyone can follow. Because if you follow step by step, definitely no one can give any mistake. Okay, thank you. We will meet in next video.